The Tripura Adventure Social Expedition Organization organized a 5-day academic exposure training and visit International Youth Exchange Program 2022 at the Northeastern Hills University, Shillong, with the objective to create an international perspective in the youth and to involve them in promoting peace and understanding. The event was started today and was participated by the youths from both India and Bangladesh, and the Speaker of Meghalaya Legislative Assembly, Metba Lyngdoh, inaugurated the program. Addressing the gathering, Chief Guest Metba Lyngdoh said, "Such kind of exchange program is the need of the hour. This kind of exchange program will help an individual to grow." The program was organized in collaboration with the Meghalaya State Nehu Yuva Kendra under the Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports, Government of India and Northeastern Hills University, Shillong, and Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman Agricultural University, Ghazipur, Bangladesh.
Encourage you to grow independently, to make informed decisions, and to strive to achieve new goals in life. Through such programs, it will also help you to build a lifelong connections. Long gone are the days when the foreign environment would make you feel uncomfortable. At present, people abroad are quite approachable and actively help you in your growing process. Once you learn to appreciate the culture and language in the host country, it becomes easier for you to settle and forge lifelong bonds. I also urge the youth to give you internationally exposure and offers you international learning and knowledge to understand an array of cultural and community perspectives. That's why Little has organized this exchange program at the international level. It is the need of the hour, because if we look at just Indo-Burma, I think, or Indo-Burma only, I think that will not give, when such kind of opportunity or platforms are being opened, we have to open our eyes and open our minds that we have to look at a global kind of perspective. This policy, and at the center of our dream of an Asian century. I must emphasize here that India is a young country, but all of you must be aware that with more than 1/3 of the population of our country is in the age bracket between 15 and 34, 35. It is important that young people understand and engage themselves with issues concerning the contemporary world. I am sure while interacting with your Indian counterparts, you will discuss about the role of youth in today's world. I am sure that you will never discuss just only about the youth of India or youth of Bangladesh. Well, that has to be initiated first, no doubt about it, but you will definitely share and would like to know the role of the youth in today's world. It is through such programs that you will experience the alternative approaches of studying something that would not be offered in your home country. Through youth exchange program, youth and young students like all of you will have the opportunity to work in the global market.